Hi everyone, welcome back to Abundancefolio to learn how to make your money works for you. And today I'm going to share with you one of the interesting and I would say that a powerful software then being installed in the UTRADE facilities for free, I would say that. And I'm quite surprised that this function is available here because it's so easy for anyone without a stock experience or buying experience. Anyone can learn without a proper training, or I would say that or maybe technical analysis classes or financial analysis classes. So how do you determine to buy or sell a share? What are the prices that is good for you to enter or not? So today I'm going to share with you Chartgenie, which is the function that we have. Okay, I'm going back to the platform over here. Okay, you can see that there's a tools here, Chartgenie, or the other way around that you can use a Chartgenie is by searching on the share that you want to buy. So put into examples. I want to buy okay, let's go to the best one, Bursa Malaysia. So you have a Bursa Malaysia here. Today is trading at last price 8 ringgit 58 cents. So how do you know that this price is the best price for you to enter? Means that, oh, it's going up over here. It's so good. Before that, it goes to 10 ringgit. So you determine the share to buy like that, which is actually not really the best way. There's more to speculations than a real trading system. So what I'm going to do is I will click on this share and then right click. You can see that there's a Chartgenie over here. And then I will wait for the Chartgenie to generate for itself. And then I'll try to open up to max view so that everyone can see this together with me. So you can see here on the Chartgenie, there is few information which is already auto-generated for you. So the first thing that you can see is what? Support and resistance. There's a support 1, support 2. Okay, here technical information, support 794. So which is the green color one, this one is support 1. And if the price fall further, this is the support 2. So it depends on the situation where is the bullish or bearish market. So you know that there are certain months that probably the stock market will be more to the bearish side. Means it will go down more and more. So in this case, where is the good place for me to buy? So in normal situation, is it a good way for me to buy right now? No. So let me explain a little bit about support and resistance. Support is just like a floor. Today, when you step on the floor, you feel so solid because there's a floor out there. You didn't stand on the air. So the floor is the fundamental or the base that when the price falls, it will fall to the base and then it will stop over there. It will not fall further. So this is a support. And then there's a 2 auto-generated support for you so that you can determine which price for you to enter better. And then the resistance is just like a roof where the price will go up, and then this is the part when they will a little bit stagnant over here. So resistance is just like a roof. So you can see this is the best example for you. So when the price come down, come down from how much is this? This is 8 ringgit 97 cents. Then it will come down to the support 1, okay, of 794, and then it will slowly go back up to the resistance 1. You can see that. Resistance 1 is how much? 862. So you can see that once it touches resistance, it will start to slowly a little bit like no steam already. But of course, when the market is bullish, what it will happen is you can see the price will break up the resistance. Let me put you good examples on the one that I just saw today. This one. Click on Chartgenie. Put it big for you. Yeah, you can see. When today it break resistance over here, you will see that resistance breakout. Okay, it break the support. So you see that the previous resistance 1 is actually over here, but because of the breakout that happened, then it go up to the next resistance. Okay, so previously in the past this is the resistance 1, this is the resistance 2, and then because of the breakout, then the system auto generated again the resistance 1, so that I know that if the price breakout, it will go up. But I need to be careful a little bit because why? When it hit the resistance once, it will lose a little bit of steam out there. So I normally, if let's say I do a fast trade or maybe I buy a share and then I would like to sell it, so I know where is the highest point that I can sell because I want to maximize my profit. Okay, let's come back to this Bursa Malaysia. So currently it's traded at what price? 8 ringgit and 58 cents. And then the resistance is how much? 862. So in just a common sense will tell you what, if you buy at 858, today, there is a chances for you. You see, it even show you the percentage that it will go down around 6%. So you understand why certain people, when they buy a share, they lose money. They're making a loss more than they are making a profit, because why? They buy most of the time near to the resistance. And then of course let's say, oh, I wait for the resistance to break out, but why do you want to buy the higher price if you can buy a lower price? So this is one of the way that I can determine. Okay, if let's say I want to be conservative, I will go for the support 2. Support 2 is how much? Okay, here 780. Okay, so how do I calculate if what is the price that I want to enter? Now, this is a simple formula for you other than looking at the Chartgenie. I will add in somewhere around 3%. So because this part is, I think it's a little bit harder for me to get it. Okay, and then even support zone, you can see that there's a tail so long, so hard for me to get 794. So hard for me. So how do I calculate? So 794, I will add 3%. Okay, add 3%. Okay, the calculation wrong. So it is like times 1.03. 7.94 times 1.03. Okay, you can see over here is how much? 817. So it means what? You have a range between 794 to 817 to enter the share. And then it doesn't really go up a lot. So probably I will enter somewhere around 8 ringgit. Still between the range 794 to 817. So there's a 3% buffer for you to enter, because sometimes it's not easy to enter the lowest possible price range, but I will do my best. So of course, if let's say I'm a little bit higher risk person, I might go for the 817. But of course, I will say that sometimes I will joke and say that I have a chicken heart. And then I will go for the lower one. So perhaps maybe 3 to 4 bits above of the price, or maybe I will queue at somewhere 8 ringgit or 798, 797, somewhere like that. Okay, or perhaps I will check on this one. Do you see the black one? The tail is like touching is 799. Okay, so yeah, probably 8 ringgit is the best for me. So that is how I use Chartgenie to determine my entry price. And of course, if I would like to trade it for short-term basis, I can do it that way. So the first thing I need to know is the resistance. So if let's say I enter at 8 ringgit, okay, and then it go up to 860 something. Okay, so let's put it into example. I want to sell it at 860. Okay, how much is the profit that I can make? 860, okay, minus 8 ringgit. Okay, I have 60 cents of profit. So let's divide it. 60 cents divided by the cost price is 8 ringgit. Okay, so times 100. So I'm probably making about 7.5% from my investment of that 8 ringgit. So it's quite a good return if let's say you want to trade it this way. Or perhaps I feel that, and then I see that the market is so bullish, it can go up further, and then I wait for the resistance 2. Okay, so the resistance 2 is somewhere around, let me see, 895. Okay, probably I don't want to sell that time. Probably I want to sell it at 890. Is that okay? Okay, so 890 minus my cost price is 8 ringgit. So I have 90 cents of the profit out there. So let me divide it by 8 ringgit. Okay, you must times 100 because it depends on the percentage that you're going to earn. So by buying over here, support 1 to support 2, I'm making probably about 11.25%. I think it's much, this is a much more better return for you compared to the FD or any investment out there. If you know how to trade properly. If you buy at the resistance, you're expecting the price to go down and you have 6% or even more paper loss if it touches support 2 or even going down. So this is the reason why we check on the Chartgenie every single time before we buy a share, because we want to know that if the current price is near to the support or to the resistance. So we always want to say that we buy low, sell high. So low means what? Support. High means what? Resistance. Okay. Of course, I can always go for the conservative one, but sometimes I cannot get the ticket, cannot match. Support 2. But of course, support 2 going to resistance 2 is a higher percentage. So if the market is really, really down that month, I might be conservative enough to go for the support 2. And then I'm 3%, so I have a range over there. So this is how you can minimize your loss or maximize your profit. And another way to see the Chartgenie is this. What does it mean when the price break resistance? If the price breaking the resistance is going upwards, means what? It's a bullish indicator. Means that the stock is bullish right now. It's like breaking the resistance, it's going up. Okay, if let's say it can break 1 or 2, means that it's really very, very strong bullish stock. But if let's say if the stock broke the support, means what? A little bit bearish for the share. Okay, let me show you another final examples, which is one of so many shares that people lose money, I would say that, in the current situations. Love share. Okay, I will wait for the Chartgenie to be generated here. Okay, now, just by looking at the Chartgenie, you can see that it's like what? It's like the chart is going downhill. This is what we call it as a downtrend. Now, let's see this chart. Okay, this chart and this chart, there's a similarities out there. We call it as sideways. Means that the price go up and down in that range. So normally I will trade it that way. But this one is what? Is downtrend. And then let me show you another examples of the uptrend one. A very nice uptrend. We want to check on the uptrend stock. Okay. So you can see the difference between downtrend and uptrend is this. So you can see the uptrend stock move upwards, even though there might be slightly some correction over here, but it's good for me because why? It give me a chance to enter the stock at the pullback so that before the share price going up again. But you can see this one is bad. It's going down. And then it keep breaking the support again and again. It means that when it is here, it's breaking the support. And then this support already auto-generated a lot of times. So you can see right now, if you want to buy top left share, where is the support? Now is 627. The support is 523, 5 ringgit 23 cents. And the second support is 493. Wow. You have a risk because you're already touching the resistance 1. You have a risk for this share to go down nearly 16% if you buy right now. But of course, if let's say this, the company is making the share price is going up, it break the resistance here at the 677. You see, 677, it breaks 677, means that it's going bullish. But you'll need to evaluate based on the risk. Go downtrend. Right now, it's like a little bit coming back up. Can it be going up, or it will just go to the resistance here and then lose the steam and then start to come back down? I will not touch this kind of share because the risk is out there. Because I want to find a more bullish sign of the share for me to enter. Even I enter at higher price, but I will find the pullback so that I buy cheaper and then the price going up again. Okay, so this is the support and resistance, which is auto-generated in Chartgenie, and how you can utilize it to the best. And I hope that you can maximize profit and it will minimize your loss as well. Thank you so much for watching this video again. See you in the next video.